Hi, I'm AJ from BizApps. Welcome to the Resources for Realtors panel discussion. Today, I'll talk about the challenges you are facing in growing your business and how bizVideo can help you crush them. Open houses have been the key to selling properties, but you can't do open houses in the current pandemic environment. Not only has the buyer become hesitant in touring a property, but this pandemic has dried up the economy. As a result, not only you have to look at the ways and means to sell the properties, but also put in a lot more efforts in finding your next buyer. Whether it is finding the buyers or presenting a listing, both have a common problem. How do you get that personal touch going when you cannot see people face to face? The solution is the video. According to the marketing giant HubSpot, 78% of people watch online videos every week, and 55% view online videos every day. So successful marketing has two basic components: video and marketing. Your video has to be crisp and your marketing has to be effective. So that open house, you can do that not only every month, every week, but every minute. Introducing bizVideo, a unique video marketing tool. With bizVideo, you can no longer miss out on your buyer walking past your yard sign. Right there and then, they can take a tour of your property without them getting into the house and without you being physically there. Let me show you how.
bizVideo complements YouTube by providing the crucial marketing elements that YouTube does not offer. Here you see a YouTube video promoting an office complex. Prospects can easily scan the bizVideo QR code added to the YouTube video. This opens the bizVideo campaign, giving them a virtual tour of the space available for lease.
With bizVideo, you can put your video campaigns anywhere in the offline or physical world. But what if you could also expand your video marketing beyond the offline world? Imagine how many more people could see your video online and on all the social media platforms. Here you can see how you can place your video marketing campaign on at least 21 different online channels and offline sources.
bizVideo can deliver your video campaign on more than 21 offline sources, online channels, and social media platforms.
Here is how one customer pushes her bizVideo campaigns out on several channels and sources, so everybody sees her printing and publishing services.
I have a Facebook page, I have a LinkedIn page, I have an Instagram page, I have my signature block in my email.
Right.
I have my constant contact email that I send out on a monthly basis.
Okay.
And I have all the business cards and our brochures, right?
Mm-hmm.
And of course, I put my little QR code on my banner.
On your banner,
right?
At any trade
and
show.
He was like, oh, I'm not going to walk closer to her, but I can walk up closer and take a picture. You know, that those are all the venues that I can see as opportunities for us.
So first step in successful marketing is providing easy access to thousands of buyers to your video campaigns. The second step to marketing success is identifying who is interested. You want to know who is interested in your property and how to capture their contact information. The best time to do this is while they are taking a video tour of your property. That's their peak point of interest.
Prospects who are interested can submit their contact data and inquiries from the bizVideo screen.
Our customer Jackie says it best.
bizVideo tells me who's interested so I can turn them into sales.
The next step is to answer inquiries and customer conversion. Studies have shown that up to 64% of leads are wasted because no one responds in time. It's even worse in real estate. Think of it. Someone has stopped by your property. They scanned the QR code, took a video tour, and sent you an inquiry. If you do not follow up with them right away, the chances are they're gone and you lost them. Time is of essence. This is where bizVideo helps. It delivers that inquiry on your phone in real time and facilitates following up with the buyer via texting, emailing, chat, or an old-fashioned phone call. Jennifer does not want to lose a sale for her personal products. She uses bizVideo to respond to her buyers' inquiries right away.
Selling a consumer product, I need to respond right away. bizVideo puts those hot leads right on my cell phone so I can respond with just a touch of my finger.
That is how you turn video marketing into sales. So bizVideo is the only tool that makes open houses a reality. Not only do these steps produce quality leads, but also keep building lists in your bizVideo account. All you need to do is to keep turning them into sales. As Tamika puts it.
So for the past 3 years, I get about, I would say 800, give or take, a year. But last year, I didn't close anything out of it. So that's how bad internet leads have gotten, where they're just no good anymore. So when they see your video on the bizVideo campaign, they will put in their information, and when you get it, you know it's real. And then you know it's not sold to a bunch of competitors. It's 100% yours. So generating leads with a bizVideo campaign is so much better.
So overcome the barriers of marketing and achieve what you need, that is sell more with bizVideo. So with bizVideo, this is what you can do. Result, sell more and save more. Well, if you have any questions, here is my contact information. Thank you for attending today's panel discussion.